Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool easel card for you. This is my summer fishing easel card. How fun is that front cover panel? You've got the fella there fishing in the crazy waters. You've got the background really neat with the woods and the grass. This is what it looks like when it's all folded. It pops up to reveal that summer sentiment. There's a spot here on the inside for your message. And of course, I include an envelope as well. Now, this easel card is really simple to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the layers panel and find the envelope. Go ahead and click on this little icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines. Change those to score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing for the card base. Click on that icon. Highlight the score lines. Change those to score. Highlight the group, and attach. Once that's all set, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is grab our card base. I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish the score lines.
and burnish with my scraper.
And I will set that to the side for just a minute. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all of this together. But from back to front, we're gonna layer the white, then yellow, then the brown, green, orange, light brown, red, dark blue, and light blue. I'm going to layer all this together. I'll speed up the video just a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and layer the little sentiment piece. There we go. Now we can go ahead and just put everything all together. The first thing I'm going to do is attach the messaging panel to this inside portion right here. Now go ahead and close the card up. I'm going to now attach the front cover panel, and to do that I'm going to add glue to the portion below the score line. So all this part right here, because once the cover panel is attached, that is what's going to pop up as the easel portion. Okay, I'm going to flip open the card and attach the sentiment. Now I'm going to be using some foam squares. Now before I attach this, I have this little hole cut out right here. This is going to act as a guide for where you should be placing your sentiment piece. Also, if you want to use a brad and maybe use a different kind of embellishment that you might have laying around the house, maybe like a pin or a button or something like that, you can use this hole to attach the brad. More than anything else, it's just a placement area so that you know where to place your sentiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just center that sentiment piece over that cutout and press. And now that is how the card stands up. I'm going to set that to the side so that everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make our envelope. For our envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Spin the envelope around. Now, because there are several layers to this front cover panel, I'm going to suggest that you place the card inside of the envelope, fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of those side flaps, push up on the bottom flap and press. I'm going to hold it there for a minute. And then by adding the card to the envelope, you're going to ensure that there's enough space there for your card to fit in the envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this one really fun to make? This card is generic enough where it could be used for any summer occasion. I hope that you make it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye.